Hey guys, yesterday we went to Satan's Canyon and today we're here again at the Devil's River, but this time we're going to a very different location. We are headed to Dolan Falls. Dolan Falls are one of the largest continuously flowing waterfalls in the state of Texas. This portion of the Devil's River is one of the last areas unspoiled by human contact. It's isolated and rugged, which make it hard to access, and it's very well controlled by the state. You need a permit just to kayak in certain portions of it. Even when you do get the permit, there are still strings attached. They want to know where you're going to be going, when you're going to be going, and they also want to make sure that you're not leaving any trace behind in the environment. So after going through all those hurdles, we got the permit. Now is the time to enjoy the scenery and go take a look at Dolan Falls. Despite its majestic beauty, this place is not for the inexperienced or ill-prepared. I had to go through a bunch of rugged dirt roads just to get here, and then hike with the kayak for an entire mile up and down some hills before finally just getting to the launch point. And then it's another mile of kayaking before reaching Dolan Falls. The wildlife here is amazing. I saw a coyote, a wild turkey, all kinds of birds, rabbits, fish, you name it. The views are gorgeous. So much plant life under the water. The water is just crystal clear. I'm not used to such clear water. Okay, well, I'm hearing some rapids. Let's see what we got up ahead. Yeah, so we had to get out of the kayak. It's too shallow here. And we're approaching those little rapids. You might be able to get in again. All right, let's hope it's deep enough so we can stay on the kayak and take those rapids. All right, here we go. Woo! It's just barely deep enough. Oh boy, might have to duck. All right, get down. Let's see if we can go around. I think we're almost at Dolan Falls. Amazing. Dolan Falls are right up ahead. We got around the falls, which is no easy task. It is not for the faint of heart. Beautiful. That's the power of nature. So beautiful, but it's definitely not a playground. Don't come unprepared. Woo! Water's cold. I mean, with a little warmer water, this would be paradise. It's beautiful. Wow. Again, might be a paradise, but it's not a playground. Beautiful. Not for the inexperienced kayaker. Is an amazing gem of nature, but we have to protect it and we have to be safe around it. So again, do your homework and don't come unprepared. Thanks a lot for coming along on this adventure, and I'll see y'all next time.